Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? Welcome to another video of Dogecoin price prediction. My friends, first of all, I want to ask you one question for all Dogecoin holders. Is Dogecoin a good investment or not? What do you think? Tell me in the comment box. You can see here, that is the question of you. Is Dogecoin a good investment or not? Tell me in the comment box, my friends. And if you don't subscribe, so that is also important for you to subscribe ABS Tech channel, like this video, my friends. At this time, my friends, the Polygon Matic is going positive. You can see here 0.329 USD dollar. The XRP start moving upward. That's why the trading volume of the Dogecoin is going upward, my friends. And personally, I'm very happy to see this. You can see here now. Let's see, my friends, the price chart of the Dogecoin. My friends, you can see here the price chart of Dogecoin. Very completely, my friends, the price of Dogecoin is fast down from the previous last 1 month, as I told you, my friends. And now at this time, in a previous yesterday, the price is also going down. But now today, the Polygon Dogecoin start pumping, my friends. Today. Now at this time, that is the live pump of the Dogecoin, and my prediction is 100% positive. I believe that they will take a huge pump, my friends. And let me show you, friends, the tomorrow price of Polygon Matic. My friends, here is the tomorrow price of Polygon. You can see here. This price is decided on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research. My friends, 11 June 2021 price of the Polygon Matic, I mean tomorrow price is 0.345, and the minimum price of the Polygon will be 0.274 USD dollar, and the maximum price is 0.418 USD dollar is the maximum price of the Polygon Matic. So what do you think about Polygon? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more of this kind of news and updates videos.